guys, we are at Target and we are gonna do a little haul, me and the kids. So yeah, Target, here we comes. Doing a little bit of, you know, a type of Target haul, something like that. Just a little stuff that we need. But I'm looking for, I get some stuff. I'll show you guys. I'm here with the kids. Say hi.
Hi! Hi everyone!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Anyway, today we have Miss Kyra. She's being nosy.
Hey!
But I just, well, not just, but I went to Target today and we're gonna do a haul. Just a Target haul. We're just gonna show you guys. I got some stuff. I just felt like, you know, Target is lit. So let's do a haul with Target. So I did purchase some stuff. I did bring the kids, so I got them some stuff also. And just a few little stuff. Just walk around the store and look some stuff. I'm definitely gonna show you guys what I got. And Miss Kyra is gonna show you guys too, right?
Yep, even everything.
I'll probably use Kyra as a model for some of the stuff that I got for them. So we're gonna start off with this bag. And in this bag, oh, we have, these are clothes. Let me tell you something. If you have kids, Target clothes is lit. They don't wash out. They last long. They are beautiful. And you're gonna love them because I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that I got. So, okay, so this is a shirt, a blouse. This is for Janae. This size.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's cute, right?
Yep, that's night clothes.
So I try to get them 3, you know, matching stuff. But this one has a leggings also. So let me show you Kyra's size. That size that I show you guys was for Janae. So this is the blouse, really cute.
Yep.
As you guys can see, and then it has the leggings to go with it. So guess what? We can match out. And there we go. This is really cute. You guys will see them in these. I'll probably take some pictures with them. So this is for Kyra. We got one for Janae. And we got one for Amelia. Janae's own is this one. And these were cheap. I said, y'all better go to Target.
What? Everything we're gonna buy in Target.
I'm surprised. I actually bought, when Kyra just started school, I went to Target and I got some stuff for her. And they last long. It's like, no. I remember going to the mall a couple days ago and she had on a shirt and I was like, Kyra, where you get this? But when I look in the tag, I realized it's, you know, Cat and Jack. And that brand is from Target. So I was like, oh my God, this shirt is so cute. This blouse is so cute. And then I said, you know what? I think I'm going to go visit Target because it's been a while. I also got these blouses. Really like it.
Me and Quinn saw Target.
Yeah. And I have 3. So, you know, one is for Kyra. Come here. One is for Amelia and one is for Janae.
The timers is on.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this is the other type.
I can't figure out, but anyway.
You know what? I saw these. These are Nickelodeon. These are just some nightgowns. What is this character, Kyra?
JoJo Siwa.
Oh, JoJo C. JoJo, right. So this one is for Kyra. She picked it out, said she wanted it, so I got her this. This is just a nightgown. I also got some more leggings. I have 3 of these also for all 3 of them. This gray one with the pattern, I think this can go with anything. So I did get that. Also, I did not get Janae any nightgown. They didn't have the size, but I got one for Quinn and I got one for Kyra. All right, so the first bag is finished and I showed you guys everything. Next one, where we have some more clothes. Oh my God. Listen, these dresses are so cute. And they have 3 of these also. This one is for Quinn. It seems a little bigger. That one is for Quinn. Kyra.
I'm doing that.
And Janae. And this one is for Janae. The material is...
Subscribe to Carter Family.
Oh, yeah. And I did get, look, I got dresses for the tights.
Ooh.
And the top, the leggings and the top, so they have the dress in it too. I'm not gonna lie, I had to buy these. So we have 3 of these also, because Janae get her size also. And yeah, I see it, I'll get the stuff for them. So they have the dress. I'm gonna put this on Carol so you guys can see. You want to try it on? Turn around.
Beautiful.
It looks, turn around. Ooh. We have 4 bags, so this is the next bag. And oh, I got these for them to sleep in.
Ooh.
I do get 3 of them. We have sizes for Amelia,
That look like
Kyra, and Janae.
ooh, that look cute.
Yes. So we have 3 whites, and I did do 3 blacks also.
I like the black one and the white one. They're cute.
They're cute.
Beautiful.
And I have 3 of those also.
This is actually fun. Ooh,
This is beautiful.
I saw that.
Listen, this is just a little basket. I'm gonna put it in the kids' room, her and Amelia's room, because their room is more light pink. I'm doing their room to be light pink. I'll show you guys when I'm done. Their bed is not here as yet, so, but this is cute. I just think I had to get it. Like, yeah, I just had to. So we got this little basket right here for the girls' room. Yeah.
There's still dollies?
Yeah, I have this for Janae's room.
Ooh.
I did gather a cube box. I have to show you guys, it's downstairs. I could not lift that up, but this, because her room, she want purple in her room. I was trying to do more light purple, lavender, so I think this will fit in the cube box, which is gonna be your bookshelf. That's what I'm gonna do. And this is just a storage bin for the cube box in Target. Oh, these are just some Expo dry erasers, and I just got these in Target because I did get a board for her. I did that one on Amazon. It's not here as yet, but she's gonna start doing homeschool because I'm not sending her back to school. You guys know she had started school, but I'm not trusting anything that's going on right now. So for now, I'm her teacher, so I get her some Expo mark. And then I did see this one after, which is the whiteboard care. It's a cleaner, the what do you call it, duster, and some more markers. So I did get this pack also, right? Oh, I did get some command hooks. I'm gonna put one in the kitchen on one of the, put anything on it like towels or whatever. I think this is needed in the kitchen. And then this one I'm gonna put in the area where we can put coats in or stuff like that. So that's downstairs also. So I did get 2 of these. They're command hooks. Yeah, command brand. Oh my god, guys, I get the cutest little stuff in Target. Cara pop off one already. But the girls' room are gonna be light pink, blush pink with gold. They're gonna have 2 beds in the room. So I saw these 2 dolls. Are they dolls? These 2 are gonna be on, one is gonna be on Amelia's bed, one is gonna be on Kara's bed. And I did, you know, choose these. I think they are beautiful. They are beautiful. They are beautiful. They're gonna fit with the everything because we're going with light pink. Like I said, guys, I will definitely show you guys once I set their rooms up. And Janae's room is gonna be purple. So that is that. We do have a next bag. Ooh. Listen, I went in on Target. So you guys can see what this is. Janae wanted this. It says, it has 2 meanings. One is a unicorn, which is beautiful. And then, so you see the unicorn with the little purple in it because she's doing purple. And then when we do it like this, it says be you. So I think this pillow is perfect for her bed. and she chose this, and she's into unicorns, so they're into unicorns rather. You know, kids love all those characters and stuff. I was more choosing for them, but it's time for me to let them choose. And this pillow is cute. You have the unicorn, and then when you do this, it says be you, which is beautiful. So there we go with that. Another storage bin, and this is for Kyra's and Amelia's room with the gold. I'll show you guys once it's time to decorate their room. But this is also another storage bin, just like the one I got for Janae. Just two different colors. This one has gold on it, which is beautiful. So we have some towels right here for the kids, bath sets. They have rags on them, and these are for Kyra and Amelia. They are beautiful. These are beautiful. Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
So that's two for Kyra and Amelia. So this is another bath towel for Jin. Yes, so this one is bigger and it will fit for Jin, and I do like it. It's really cute with the colors. You know, these colors represent kids. The color rainbow type of stuff are more for kids. And I do have this one also. So both of these were for Janae. I'm not gonna put this around me. I think it's beautiful, but it's more because they need some more towel. Now I'm changing out some stuff, and yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Yay.
Yay.
Anyway guys, that is my Target haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. That's just a few of the stuff that I got from Target, and I think I'm gonna start doing hauls. I went to Marshall's. Oh my god, Marshall's is unbelievable. All right, but this is the Target haul, guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Make sure your post notification on. Okay, until
Team Chrissy.
okay, until my next upload, guys. Bye.